For this demonstration, I've chosen to use Screencastify, which is what we are currently using. If you are struggling with some ideas to get some synchronous learning in with your students, one of the things that you could do in your reading is just do a read aloud. So you're just going to record yourself. You can either keep yourself on there or you can just let the students hear your voice. You can move yourself around, but you want to put your book in present mode. If you are uploading your book to slides, you also want to embed them as a background and not as just an image, because if you do it just as an image, then the students can move things around on the slide. So you want to make sure that you embed it as a background. You're going to go ahead and put your book into presentation mode, and it'll just take a couple seconds to load. And I'm just going to show you some of the cool tools that are on here. So when you get started, again, you can exit yourself out so that your students are just hearing your voice, or you can go ahead and leave yourself in there. You can, again, move yourself around. So I'm just going to leave myself there for now. So the book is called Surprising Sharks by Nicola Davies, and it's illustrated by James Croft. You can read the book that you have in front of you, or you can certainly read it off of the screen. In order to advance the book, you're going to use the arrow keys in the bottom right-hand corner, and I am doing this on a Chromebook. There's a couple of cool tools on here that I'm going to go through and show you. If you are wanting to put emphasis on something that is on the page, then there's some cool tools you can use. There's the pen tool, so you can activate that. And let's say that I wanted to make emphasis on the goblin shark. So I would put a line underneath the goblin shark, for example. When I'm done with that, I can come back through and I can erase. There's also an illumination tool. When I click on that arrow, it brings back up the tools. There's an illumination tool, and this is what it looks like. It's called a focus mouse. So I can activate that, and I can make the Port Jackson shark be the point of emphasis as I'm reading. Or if I need to draw attention to the swell shark, I can make that the point of emphasis as I'm reading. Come back over here, and I can deactivate the illumination tool. So this gives you a couple of ideas of how you can go through and do books with your students. I hope that helps, and good luck.